Hello and welcome to another short tutorial on Photoshop Basics. Today we'll be going over document creation. Basically we'll be explaining all the things that you need to know when creating a new document, setting it up, resolution, color modes, pixel densities and so on. Let's just create a new document, file new, and this pop-up opens. So what we have here is the width and the height input, so this should be pretty logical what these do. And here we have units, so you can either set it to pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters and so on, but that's not really important for now. The next thing is the resolution, aka the pixel density. So what you need to know about this is 72 pixels per inch is basically the default setting, which is used normally in web work or photograph editing, such things that are basically not meant to be vectorized or printed in very big scale, basically. So if you, let's say you're designing a website, you want to use 72 pixels per inch. But let's say you're working on a flyer that will eventually be printed out, you want to set this to 300 pixels per inch. So remember, 72 pixels per inch for graphics that is used for web or photograph or basically any type of design work that's used to be viewed on the computer, and 300 pixels per inch for design work that will normally be printed out eventually. So the next thing is the color modes. RGB. This is used again for files that are used on the computer. And this one, CMYK, this one is used for print work, and you need, if you're designing print material, you need to set it to this color mode, and that is because printers have limited colors. So Photoshop basically takes this into account and it gives you a more accurate preview of the final product, basically how it will look like when it's printed. But for now, let's just set it to RGB. Background content doesn't matter for now, we can always change this later. Color profile, I usually just leave this at the default. Same for this, I usually just leave it on square pixels. So you can basically use the presets on the top as well, but I think it's still important to know how to set everything manually and understand the logic behind it, basically. So let's just create a new document, let's say 500 by 500, and let's make it 72 pixels per inch for now. Click OK. Here's our document. So a couple of things we can still try out. Let's say we are designing and just make a few squares. And then you notice that your document isn't big enough. So what do? Obviously you don't want to start from the beginning, so you can basically go here into the image menu, canvas size 500 by 500, and at the moment it's set to expand from the center outwards. See, this is the center, the dot. So if we increase this to, let's say 1500 by 1500 pixels, see, now we have a bigger document. The background color changed to blue, and that's just because we have the background color here set to blue. But can always change that really easily. Sorry. There we go. Okay, let's go back. Another thing we can always do later on, let's say you forget to set the image mode to CMYK and you're designing print material, but your color profile is set to RGB. So you can always change it by coming here, image mode, and set your image mode to CMYK color, and Photoshop will give you this pop-up, and I suggest you just click don't flatten so it doesn't merge all your layers. Yeah, click OK. And now we are working in CMYK color, which is used for print material. So yeah, these are pretty much the basics of document creation, modifying it, and yeah, let me know what you think about this tutorial. I hope I helped you out, and see you guys next time. Bye.